So now functions of leaf. Leaf performs some main functions, very important functions, and these functions are called primary functions. Okay, now the first function is that photosynthesis. Now students, these are the leaves. Okay, now you can see the leaves are of green color. Okay, why they are of green color? Okay, because inside these leaves a green color or a green pigment, okay, pigment is found, green color pigment is found, whose name is chlorophyll. Okay, pigment means nothing, pigment means color. Okay, so a green color pigment or green pigment is found inside these leaves. The name of the pigment is, the name of the color is chlorophyll. Okay, now with the help of chlorophyll, leaves perform photosynthesis. Now what is the meaning of photosynthesis? First of all, only green parts of the plant can perform photosynthesis. Okay, only green part of the plant. So the leaves are of green color, so they mainly perform photosynthesis. They are the site of photosynthesis, means photosynthesis mainly occurs in the leaves. Okay, now first of all we will understand that what is photosynthesis. Students, we cannot make our food by our own. Can we make? No. You will think that ma'am, my mama will make food, my mama makes food for me. No beta, your mama cooks food for you. Okay, she cooks food for you, she does not make food for you. Make means to produce. Do your mama grows the wheat and rice and vegetables? No, na. What she does, she cooks food for you. I also cook food for me. Okay, I cannot produce food. Okay, producing means to grow. So you will think that farmer produce food for us. No, farmer grows the food, and farmer cuts the crop and all, grows the crop and cuts the crop and take care of the crop. Okay, but who produce that wheat and rice and vegetables and fruits? Who produces mainly? Okay, plants. Who produce? Only plants are the organisms. Okay, only plants are the organisms who can produce their food, who can make their food by their own. Animals, human beings, we cannot produce our food. We can cook our food, but we cannot produce, we cannot grow the wheat, rice, vegetables, fruits. Okay, so plants make their food by their own. Plants produce the food, produce the wheat, rice, vegetables, pulses, fibers. Okay, these all things produces by plants, by which process? Photosynthesis. Okay, there is a process by which plants produce their food, and the process is called photosynthesis. Okay, then how they produce, what they do in this process, we should understand. So first of all, suppose this is a plant. Okay, this is a plant, and this is the stem, roots, and these are the branches, and on branches there are leaves. Okay, so for photosynthesis, plants need to make their food, to perform photosynthesis, plants need some most important things. Okay, for example, to cook the food, your mama need raw material like raw wheat, raw rice, raw vegetables, spices, oil, gas. Okay, all these things your mama needs na. In same way, to produce the food, plant also needs some things. What plants need? Plants need the gas, carbon dioxide. Okay, plants need carbon dioxide gas, plus they also need water. Okay, they also need water, plus they also need sunlight. Okay, they also need sunlight, and the next thing, they need the green color pigment, chlorophyll. Okay, I told you that the leaves are of green color. These leaves are of green color because they have a pigment, chlorophyll, and chlorophyll plants require chlorophyll to make food, to produce food, for photosynthesis. Okay, that's why photosynthesis occurs in green parts, because green parts has chlorophyll, and plants need chlorophyll to make food. Okay, so these four substances plants need to perform photosynthesis. Okay, to produce their food. So what, from where they get? Listen, they get sunlight from the sun, right? They get sunlight from the sun. Okay, chlorophyll is present inside the leaves. So chlorophyll is present in their body parts, in their leaves. Okay, now from where they get carbon dioxide? Carbon dioxide they take from air. Okay, who take carbon dioxide from air? Leaves. Okay, their leaves take air, carbon dioxide from air. You all know that in air CO2 is present, carbon dioxide is present. So they take, okay, their leaves take carbon dioxide from air. CO2 is short form of carbon dioxide. Now from where they get water? You all know that we give water to the plant in the soil. So roots absorb, we have studied also about roots. So roots absorb this water, and now this water is conducted through the stem, is carried by the stem and reaches up to the leaves. Okay, so now water is also there, carbon dioxide is also there, sunlight is also there, and chlorophyll is present in leaf. So by the help of these four things, so carbon dioxide, okay, plus water, okay, they absorb from soil, and in presence of sunlight and in presence of green pigment chlorophyll, plants may produce their food. And their food is, what is their food? Their food is glucose. What is glucose? It is their food. Okay, they produce glucose, and plus they produce one more gas also. They produce oxygen gas. Okay, they produce glucose also, and they produce oxygen gas also. Glucose is their food. Okay, so they store in their body, and oxygen gas, then they release, oxygen gas is produced in leaf, then they release outside. This oxygen gas they release in the air. Okay, and from air we take this oxygen gas, because we all need now oxygen for our respiration. Okay, so this process is called photosynthesis. With the help of carbon dioxide, water, chlorophyll and sunlight, plants prepare their food glucose and release oxygen gas. The process is called photosynthesis. So who performs photosynthesis? Leaves. Leaves of the plants perform photosynthesis by the help of these four materials. Okay, these four substances. Now the second function we will see in next video.